Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be cracking today. Different place, I know. I'm sorry about the stain in my shirt. Who cares? I'm cracking. I'm afraid to do my neck, okay? Not today. Just shoulder right here, cracked. My back, this side. Shh. Perfect. This side. My foot. Now these are hard because I gotta stand. So, ready? You heard that. Other side. Not any on that side. Boo-hoo. I hate showing my feet on camera. I'm crackable today. See? Kind of cracked it. Already cracked it, so. That's enough. Thanks for watching. Bye.